How to cancel follow request on Instagram. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with a tutorial. Go ahead and launch an Instagram application for this. Now if you have a private account for your Instagram, you can easily control who can follow you. However, if you have a public account, anyone can follow you and watch your profile. So in that case, how can you cancel the follow request? It is very simple. Let me guide you through the process. Tap on your notification and tap on the following tab right here next to the person that follows you. Now once you tap on it, simply tap on unfollow. This will help you to unfollow this person first and foremost. Then tap on your user icon at the bottom and select the list of followers. Now right here in the search bar, go ahead and search for the person. Tap on the remove bubble, then simply tap on remove. And this is how you have removed or cancelled the follow request of the person. It is a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of a bug issue or a glitch, follow this next step. Exit from your app and press and hold on to it and head to app info. Force stop your application and head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. Once you do this, the bug issue will be solved. Next step is to open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram in the search bar. Check for an update if there is any, or simply uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And that is how you can easily cancel follow request on Instagram. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.